Hey guys, in today's video we're detailing, I believe it's a 2018 Robalo center console, kind of a high-end fishing boat. Just using an orbital polisher here with a Griots Garage buffer, a Griots Garage microfiber pad, and Meguiar's flagship premium with a little bit of diamond cut mixed in just to get out any light oxidation. So a lot of times people will ask me, well, what are you going to buff my boat with? And the answer is, we're going to buff it with whatever's right for the condition of your gel coat. Now, some detailers will just grab a rotary polisher and do everything with it. And in many cases, boats will require that. Probably about 85% of boats will require that. But occasionally you'll get boats that are either very new or very well maintained, like this Robalo, where they don't need a rotary polishing. And to do that type of buffing on this boat would have been a mistake. This orbital polisher I'm using is great for applying sealant or wax without creating swirl or scratch marks that a wool buffing wheel will cause. Now, some detailers will say, I can buff a boat with a rotary and not create swirl marks. And my answer to that is, in 26 years, I've never seen that accomplished. For a lot of people say they can do it, but weeks or months after polishing with that buffer, regardless of how it looks the day you're finished, come back later, you will see swirl marks. It's just the nature of the beast. And so that's why on this one we decided that that would not be the best thing for this boat, and we use this orbital polisher, which you should too if your boat is in new or like new condition, to maintain that glossy, protected finish that you want.